Hi guys, good morning. So my name is Ratan. Guys, we're discussing HTML videos, right? HTML videos. I think in last class in HTML we discussed about the comments, right? Yeah. Guys, today class we'll go focus on the HTML list. HTML list. So we have the HTML list, right? Exactly. See guys, when to go for HTML list means, so definitely, so we have the data so like multiple elements, right? Like we have the topics is there now. Topics contains what? Chapters, right? Yeah, topics contains what? Chapters. Otherwise you can take the company names. We have the list of company names, right? Otherwise list of students and list of chapters and list of company names. So to represent your data in a proper format, once if you organize the data in the proper format, tell me guys, if you organize the data proper format and display the data in the structured manner, so that easily you can read the data, right? Yeah, usually we can read the data. So HTML list mostly will organize the data in the proper format. Guys, organize the, tell me guys, organize the data in what? Organize the data in the proper format, right? Proper format or structured way, or structured way, right? So that we can easily read the data, right? So we can tell me guys, easily read the data, right? Yeah, we can easily read the data, right? Exactly. So HTML list main information is just to organize the data in the proper format. So organize the data in the proper format, so that structured way, so easily we can read the data, right? Yes or no? Easily we can read the data. Because there are three types of list we have. So there are three types of list. Tell me guys, there are three types of what? There are three types of list we have. What are the three types of list? Tell me. Number one is what? Tell me guys, number one is what? Ordered list. Ordered list means what? We have the numbering, right? 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Ordered list. Ordered list, or we can say number list, right? Guys, order list or what? Numbers list. See guys, we have the proper order, right? Like 1 2 3 4 5 like that is called order list. To represent this is order list, we require the element like order list OL, right? This is the element guys. So ordered list or what? Number list. Or the second one, tell me here, unordered list. Some cases you don't want numbers, just you want like bullet format, or some symbols is there na? Yeah, unordered list. Unordered list, or you can say like so bullet list, right? Bullet list. Unordered list we can represent like UL, right? So you can understand. So HTML list purpose is what? To organize the data in the proper format, and we can make the data in the structured way. Once if we display the data in the structured way, guys, we can say organize the data proper format, or display the data. Tell me, display the data in structured way, so that we can easily read the data, right? So that we can easily read the data. Because you got the point or not? Yeah, organize the data, guys. Simple word. Organize the data or display the data in the structured way. Display the data structured way, so that we can easily read the data, right? Yeah, there are three types of list we have. Ordered list. Ordered list is nothing but we have the numbers, right? Number list. Unordered list nothing but bullet list. And the third one is, told me here, description list. We have some paragraph kind of data, right? So description list, or we can say definition list. Description list or what? Definition list, right? There are three lists, guys. Ordered list, unordered list, definition list, or description list, right? DL. So you got the point, right? Even the main list can have the sub list, right? The main list can have the sub list. See guys, for example, you have the TCS is a company. So TCS is a company. TCS have the locations, right? So the first location is like Hyderabad. Second location is what? Something like Bangalore. Third location is what? Chennai. So this is like Chennai, right? Yeah. So this is called main list. The main list can have what? Sub list, right? So the point is what? Tell me. So the main list can have the main list can have the, tell me, can have the sub list, right? Yeah. HTML easily we can understand, right? It's not like Java coding, na? Just organize the data in the proper format or display the data in the structured way, so that we can easily read the data, right? HTML list. List. Yes, yeah, yes is there. As pronunciation, okay. HTML list, right? Exactly. How many types of list, guys? Total we have the three types: ordered list, unordered list, description list. So the main list can have the sub list. See, for example, TCS is a main list, which have the sub list is what Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai location, right? Yes or no? The main list can have the sub list, right? That is the information, guys. Okay, sorry, clear? Good. See, for example, if you take the one is the TCS main list, one is what Oracle. Oracle, the first one is what Hyderabad location, and the second one is the Bangalore location. I want to give only two things, right? So this is called the main list. This is called what sub list, right? Exactly. Guys, let me do this point practically so that you'll get the more clarity. So no, yeah. So to do the practicals, I'm using Edit Plus Editor. This is Edit Plus Editor. In Edit Plus Editor, go to the file menu. We know that HTML, C, CVP, parallel Java. Which one you want, guys? Definitely HTML, right? Select the HTML. Because after selecting the HTML, we know that this is a doc type. Previous classes we discussed. Doc type is nothing but what? Version of the HTML, right? Yeah, version of the HTML. So the data which we written inside the, tell me guys, inside the HTML. The data we written inside the HTML, that is called web page. And what is the data we are taking header tag, that is called metadata information. Yes, header tag contains only metadata information, right? Which is not visible in the page. The data we are writing inside the body tag, this is the data visible in the web page, right? Yes or no? Got the point, right? Here the 4 points are important. Tell me guys, please repeat. Last class as we discussed, no? So one is what the data we written inside the HTML tag. This is called what? This is called web page. So who are watching the first time, I will place the playlist what you can say link playlist link in the description box. You can please go through the playlist. Okay, this is called a web page, guys. So what is the data we are taking? Header tag is there now. This is called head opening and what head closing. So this is called what metadata. So metadata in the sense so title information and bootstrap links and where is the CSS files links and JavaScript links. All the links information we are giving in the header tag, which contains only metadata information. That's all. Guys, only the data which we written inside the body tag now, only this data visible in the web page. Okay, this is what visible in what web page, right? It's visible in what web page. Okay, this is HTML opening and HTML closing, head opening and head closing, body opening and what body closing, right? Visible in the web page, right? Guys, visible in what web page or not? Exactly. That's what, guys. Come to this example here. Let me write the code. HTML is there, head title. So this is the concept like HTML. I'm going for the order list. HTML order list, guys. This is the header information. Guys, body information. Let me write the some top 5 company names. To write the company names under the body tag, tell me under the body tag, can you please take the order list OL opening and OL what closing, right? This is order list. In this order list, can you please take the li list? Yes, OL represent order list. This is called list, right? Yeah, list. First, let me write the Google. So this is called Google and opening and what closing, right? Exactly. Because next one is what? Next one is what Google, and the second company can take the TCS, right? Slash list. Guys, this is the order list. Order list contains Google, TCS. Tell me, so we can take the list opening here. Google, TCS. Tell me guys, IBM. You can take the list, right? And we can take the list of Google, TCS, IBM, Infosys. Yeah, Infosys. Just you can take the list to closing, and you can take the one more list. Tell me guys, Google, TCS, Amazon. Yeah, Amazon. We can take the list to closing, right? Exactly. Guys, you got the pointer. So this is called the HTML version. By default it's showing the HTML 5th version. HTML opening, and this is called header information, title I'm placing. Body I written the just order list. Order list what I written here, order list contains list Google, TCS, IBM, Infosys and what Amazon, right? Guys, can please save this code. In local disk D, I'm going to save this code data.html file. Guys, already previous classes we have the data.html, right? Okay, fine, leave it. Guys, let me replace the data. Fine. Guys, local disk D, which file we have to open here? data.html, right? Yeah, this is the data.html, guys. Open this data.html. See the data here once. This is called order list. Google, TCS, IBM, Infosys, Amazon. Guys, order list means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming automatically, right? Because this is like, order list, nothing but number list, right? Number list. Sir, can please make one heading tag better so that top 5 companies, some companies, right? Guys, to make that here, you can write the h1 tag. H1 tag, okay, top 5 companies, right? Yeah, company names. Top 5 company names, just you can close h1 tag, right? Guys, yes or no? Company names. Top 5 company names, just you can come here, refresh. So top 5 company names. Just Google top 5 company names, right? Google, TCS, IBM, Infosys, and what? Amazon, right? Exactly. Okay, simple magic I'll tell you here. So if you don't want like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you want like Roman number, just you can make the type. Just you can make the type equal to, just you can make the Roman number, that's all. Then just you can save it and come here and refresh. See, guys, that is the data. See, HTML, the advantage is whatever the code you written now, just for modification we can save and we can refresh, we'll get the output, right? Yes, sir, no. Sir, can you please make it as a like this I? Previously it is coming like lowercase data, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, now I written the capital I format. Just you can refresh. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, I think it's looking good, right? Yes, sir, no. So this what we written HTML, head, body, h1 tag, order list, type, like that. Slowly, guys, slowly we have to learn like point by point, right? Yes, type is clear. Huh? No, sir, can please make the A here. Okay, fine. Just if you make the A, just you can refresh, you'll get the ABCDs. ABCD, right? Guys, here you can make the small a. Small a means what? Just you can refresh. Small ABCDs. Like Word document we have what are the data, just you can make the data here, that's all. Order list type. I think you got the clarity, right? Type what we can give, tell me. Order list type. Tell me guys what we written. We are going for the order list. This is called order list. Order list nothing but number list, right? Yeah, order list or what? Number list. So order list or number list. This is a type, guys. So by default we can take the order list. By default is coming like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. If you make the code type A means what the data we are getting, tell me here. So A, B, C, D, E like this. And we are making the data, yeah, order list. Give me 1 second. Yeah, one here you can make it what I, right? I means what 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm writing up to 5, guys, but up to 5 how many elements are there you taken? You can take any number of elements, right? It's not a problem, guys. Otherwise you can make the capital I here, then you will get the data like capital I 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, yeah, last one is what 5. Otherwise you can make the, yeah, so 1, 2, 3 by default 1, 2, 3, right? This is the 1, 2, 3. This is like capital A. If you want you can make the capital A. Capital A means you will get the data is what? Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, right? Like this is called order list. Guys, are you clear? So this is called order list, guys. I think getting properly, right? Yeah, just you can go for the data.html file. Let me remove this data here. If you remove the data by default, what you will get? Guys, by default what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Exactly. Guys, let me take the sub list better. In the Google is available in the some locations. I'll write 3 locations, and Infosys is available in the 2 locations. Just I want to give the locations, right? Okay, just I want to give the locations. That's what, guys. See the carefully here. This is the Google, na? Google is opening and closing is there. This is called main thing, na? Yeah. Under the main thing, you can take the again order list, sub list, guys, sub order list, right? Guys, list opening and closing. Here Google again order list you want. Under the order list, I can take again list, right? Again list. I think you got the clarity, right? Again list. Guys, you can write the message like Hyderabad. Just you can close the LI, right? Exactly. Guys, just you can close the order list, right? Yeah, I think this is the list. Google up to this one is a one element, one element. That element contains sublist, right? Yeah, this is called sublist. Hyderabad, HYD. Next one is what? Bangalore. Next one is what? Chennai. I think now you got the clarity, right? Sir, no, yeah. So Bangalore, and next one is what? You can write the Chennai, right? Yeah, guys, are you clear now? Just you can save this code. Just to check the syntax, guys, basic analysis. List opening, this is the first element. That first element contains again order list. Nothing but what? Sublist. Nothing but sublist. Just you can refresh. See, we got the one Google. Google contains these three locations, right? Exactly. Guys, you do one thing. Here, can you please use the types better? Type equal to what? Can I make it 1? Yeah, now we can see. I think now it is very clear, right? It's good actually. Yes, can you please make the IBM or Infosys like 2 locations here? Go for the Infosys simply. In the Infosys, this is a list opening, list to closing. In between the list opening and list to closing, just you can copy paste this code here one more time. You want me to write the code one more time? No. Just you can copy paste, right? That's it. Just you can make the type is what? A. Guys, type is what? A, right? Once if you make the type is A, then what happened here? This is called sublist, right? Then Hyderabad, Bangalore is coming like, subdata or not? See? Guys, like that we can see practically, right? Exactly. Guys, at last, let me write the outer list. We can write the h2 tag. Welcome to, welcome to what? Ratan sir classes. Tell me, guys. Guys, this is important. Why this all important? Last line is important. Last line is important. Above all are simple, right? Just you can write the order list. This is a list. Guys, you don't write the complete code. First I tried with what? Only main elements, right? First you write the main elements. What the students will do, students will write this complete code. After writing the complete code, they are trying to run the code. But they cannot understand these all the inner tags. That's what you please go for the first of all what? Printing the outer tags. Once the outer tags are coming properly, then think about inner tags. If you are thinking about outer tags, inner tags at a time, can you get the clarity? Guys, can you get the clarity? No, right? That is very, very important, right? Guys, that is information, guys. I think you got the clarity, right? Welcome to Ratan sir classes. Like, comment, comment and what? Subscribe, right? Like, comment and what? Subscribe. Guys, you can close this h2 tag, right? Yeah, that's it. Guys, simply can run this code. See, guys, top 5 companies. Welcome to Ratan sir classes. Like, comment and what? Subscribe. Guys, are you clear, right? Yeah, I think HTML class you understood everything. All of you please maintain the notebook. Please maintain the notebook and please write the notes for this all the points. Okay, sir, just to see what is the purpose of list, tell me. List will organize the data or display the data in the structured way. So easily we can read the data, right? Organize the data, display the data in a structured way so that we can easily read the data. There are 3 types of list. What are 3 types shall be? Ordered list, unordered list, description list. Okay, and the main list can have what? Sub list also. This is the main list. TCS and Oracle is what? Main list. That main list contains what? These are called sub list, right? They are sub list. What HTML structure, tell me? HTML opening and HTML closing. This is called web page. HTML opening and HTML closing is called web page. And we have the header tag contains metadata information. Is that metadata information displayed in the browser? Guys, metadata information displayed in the browser? No, right? So metadata information is not displayed in the browser. It is just giving the titles and giving the, see, previously you got the title, right? This is the title, HTML ordered list, right? Yeah, this is what? HTML, this is called title, and which contains the bootstrap links, CSS links, where the CSS files are located, where the JavaScript files are located, like that, right? HTML opening and HTML closing is called web page. Head opening, head closing, this is called metadata. Body opening, body closing, visible data in the web page, right? Exactly. Okay, so order list by default you'll get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No sir, I want Roman numbers. Then you can simply make the type I. Otherwise, no, if you want like this means you can take like this. If you want a paragraph means a b c d. If you want small a means small a b c d, right? Okay, this is about the ordered list. When you do the practicals, please make sure that first you are making with the main list. Once the main list is coming, then we can think about order sub list, right? Guys, first to check the main list. Once the main list is coming properly, then check the sub list, right? That is very, very important. Okay, so clear, right? Just I'm scrolling down. You please take this complete notes, right? Yeah. Otherwise, just you can send the mail to ratn5256 at gmail.com, so that my team can send the document to email ID ratn5256 at gmail.com. Is it clear now? Yeah. So thank you guys. Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.